Hello, hello. How we doing? How we doing? Oh, game one. And it's like both got a pretty healthy lead here. Getting edge guarded, getting rinse repeated. Becker's kind of good at that. Yeah. This is an interesting matchup. I haven't seen it in quite a while. Not since like the old days of Double and Kells. Oh, Double and Kells used to play this matchup. Oh, I have so many hype giffies of Doubles and Kells. Double. I can't speak. Double and Kells. JSP is somehow hanging on to life, showing more and more life as the stock goes on. He's playing super safe. Boats kicking in with the aura. Yeah, you missed that. You missed that. That tech, and you die. You die. Double and Kells. Yes, Shrug. That was a matchup. That was a matchup I saw like every single time Kells showed up. You're definitely going to see a double Kells match. Laser, shine, laser. I win. All right. Folks showing what is up. Actually seems pretty comfortable in the matchup. I mean, it's a spacey, so at least punish game, no matter what character you play, especially Lucario, but no matter what character you play, if you're playing against the Fox, you're like, okay, so punish game is solved. We got that down, right? Yeah, there's no problem there. He dies when I touch him. Okay, so the down smash in this matchup is actually really useful. It's really quick to throw out. It's one of his smash attacks, we can link into it pretty fast. But it'll catch that DI out and annihilate a spacey. Annihilate. Like, you know, as a fast faller, you don't get to hold out on a horizontal sending move safely. You fall too fast for that. Ooh. Okay, cleans up the stock. It's a late nair. Just a little tap, two touch. All right, 25% on JSP. Boat seems to be winning neutral here. The large aerials. Not sure how familiar JSP is with the disjoint on them. And you know, it can be a little bit hard to see the disjoint properly, especially if you're not comfortable with the matchup. So, JSP's not comfortable here. He doesn't. There's no, at least as far as I know, there's no Lucarios in Wisconsin. So he's gonna have to learn that range and respect it. Okay. Switch topics. Not really liking his footstool punishes here. If you're not gonna get hella big money, big cash money on those footstools, don't do them, bro. Because I mean, Boat's out punishing the heck out of you. So you cannot let him run away. Stock. Gotta get that punish in. There we go. Okay, so we got a stock cleaned up. You have to put in work. JSP really has got to put in work. And I've seen it. I've seen it in these stocks, but I'm just not liking the footstool punish in particular because I feel like every time he only gets one extra hit off. I've seen what you do on Twitter, but if you're not doing it, what's it to you? Oh, just a little bit off on that bear. That bear actually would have spelled death because I don't think, yeah, no charge. And because JSP is playing so conservatively, I was going to say Boat didn't have any aura, but then he got fat stack and tried to spin it all in one combo. Oh, good job. Good job, JSP. Good job, Boat. That was a